In this video, I will show you exactly how to remove the background from any image using Adobe Express. This is one of the most useful tools for creators because it allows you to create high-quality transparent images in just a few seconds without needing any advanced design skills. To get started, you first need to head over to the Adobe Express homepage on your web browser. Once you are there, look for the large plus icon, which is usually located prominently on the screen. Clicking this button opens up a variety of options for starting a new project. You will want to navigate through the menu to the section labeled Quick Actions. This area is specifically designed for fast edits that do not require building a full project from scratch. From the list of available quick actions, go ahead and select Remove Background. A new pop-up window will appear on your screen, and this is where the magic happens. You can simply drag and drop your desired image file directly into this window or browse your computer to upload it manually. As soon as the upload is complete, Adobe uses its powerful artificial intelligence to automatically identify the subject of your photo and erase the background with incredible precision. You do not have to draw any lines or select any edges yourself. Once the processing is finished and the background has been successfully removed, you have two main options for what to do next. If you just need the image for a different project, you can click the download button to save it to your device as a transparent PNG file. On the other hand, if you want to keep working on your creation, you can click Open in Editor. This allows you to place your subject on a new background, add text, or use other design elements to make your photo stand out. It is a seamless way to create professional graphics without any of the traditional hassle of manual mask layers. I hope this specific tutorial helps you speed up your creative workflow. Thanks for watching.